Hey guys, what's up? Very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you are watching. So the time right now is 12:30 hoga approximately. So this is the property in which I am staying. So as I promised, I'm going to show you around the property. And एक खास बात मैं बताने वाला हूँ आपको इसके बारे में. So first of all, let me show you around. ठीक है. मेरा रूम भी है, वो भी दिखाऊंगा मैं. That is the homestay in which I'm staying. वो red color वाला. And so this is the road. Road तो नहीं है basically. It's completely off road. There are pebbles, there are stones. So यहाँ से मैं रात को आया था उस दिन. रात को नहीं, it was just the starting of evening, but it was kind of dark. If you have seen that vlog, you know what I'm talking about. मतलब चिकमगलूर में आप रहोगे ना, it feels like a normal town जो छोटा सा town होता है anywhere in India. But the moment you cross that 20 minutes, it's like a whole different experience altogether. It is a 150-year-old property. तो आप समझ सकते हो कितना ज़्यादा पुरानी है. And it's kind of very traditional and very very authentic. But look at this place. मतलब सोचो, this this kind of belongs to one person. I mean, this is crazy. मतलब पुराने ज़माने में यार, obviously 150 years is a long time. This plantation, ये जो ऊपर पूरा आप देख रहे हो ना, it is for around 30 acres. ठीक है. So even this road is owned by him. मतलब this particular road तो नहीं है, but then this way, जो भी आप कह सकते हो इसको. First time in my life I am visiting such a property. So मेरे को तो बहुत ही fascinating लग रहा है, बहुत peaceful लग रहा है, बहुत close to nature feel हो रहा है. So I will keep walking on this road towards the property. Is just not even half kilometers, उससे भी कम है. Look at this. मतलब those tall trees are so beautiful. Wherever there is coffee plantation, right, this place over here, ठीक है. मतलब कॉफ़ी इधर कॉफ़ी बीच में हम चल रहे हैं, right? So wherever there is coffee plantation, there are so many trees, okay? बहुत लंबे लंबे पेड़ हैं. The main reason is to protect the coffee plants from two things. One is during summer, a lot of harsh sunlight. Second is what he said, also to protect from very heavy rainfall, whenever there are heavy rains during the monsoon especially. So basically it works like a safety gear, I would say. Okay, so this is what I was told. इसके अलावा कुछ और यूज है नहीं है, I don't know. मतलब थोड़ा सा आवाज आ रही होगी आपको, of some kids playing कहीं आसपास. But other than that, it is just pure sounds of nature. Absolutely pure. So चलते ही चलते हम लोग almost property तक पहुंच गए. If you can see that red color thing behind me. सड़क होती ना, शायद इस जगह का उतना फील नहीं आता जितना अभी आ रहा है. Okay, so that's why probably it's just kept raw so that people can enjoy the beauty of it. So you come from here, हमें यहाँ जाना है, and that is the property. And यहाँ पे ऊपर जो है ना, ये कॉफी प्लांटेशन है और ये भी इन्हीं का है. There is mountains all around, ठीक है. और ये रहा प्रॉपर्टी. एंड यहाँ पे भी देयर आर माउंटेन्स एंड कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशंस. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो एक रास्ता जा रहा है टुवर्ड्स द कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन, और तो वहाँ चलते हैं. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं, जस्ट लिटिल बिट, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ डज इट फील ओवर देयर. जैसे जैसे यहाँ अंदर आते हो ना, यू कैन फील द मॉइस्चर. But just because the temperature is maybe 19-20 degrees right now, it is afternoon 2 o'clock, इसीलिए पसीना नहीं आ रहा है. Oh man, look at this. अच्छा, तो ये जगह ऐसा है ना, there is a way going inside the coffee plantation. उसके ऑपोजिट में एक और है, तो ये शायद किसी और को बिलोंग करता है. जब गेट, ऑब्वियसली मैं अंदर नहीं जाऊँगा. So this is the entrance. यहाँ पे आप enter कर सकते हो, and just behind me is the property. Okay, I'll show you properly. और यहाँ पे छोटा सा एक वॉलीबॉल या बैडमिंटन भी खेल सकते हैं. The sun is out. And इसके बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ about the property, वैसे तो मैं बहुत कुछ बोल चुका हूँ already, but as I said, it is a 150 years old property. ठीक है. The location is great. And me personally, I enjoy, staying in places like these, like homestay हो गया, Airbnb हो गया for that matter. I always prefer such places more than a hotel. ठीक है. For example, I'm staying in this place. ठीक है. I'm getting a natural vibe of this particular place, and I am able to experience the local culture of this place, this particular place. Right after you enter this house, you will find a really nice, beautiful, and a very cozy seating area. And it looks something like this. Even though this place is 150 years old, it does have all the basic amenities that you need, the modern amenities, but with a slightly antique touch to almost every corner of this building. So this is the entrance, and behind me is the room. बहुत ही प्यारा रूम है, मतलब ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं अभी. तो ये बेड है, वहाँ पे एक चेयर है, एक टेबल लैम्प भी दिया हुआ है मस्त सा. बहुत रात को बहुत ही अच्छा दिखता है ये रूम. द कलर ऑफ द रूम इज़ रियली गुड. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेनेवर यू बुक अ room is of course the washroom. It has to be clean. So let me show you that. So this is the washroom. Pretty nice, neat, clean, Another common space is this dining hall, which is again very nicely done, and they do serve some really delicious South Indian food over here.